IBS and the vegan diet. If you go on the vegan diet, will your IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, disappear? I had IBS for a very long time. My symptoms were relatively mild, and I tried drugs, didn't help, and then I started trying different diets. And when I went on the vegan diet, I was on the diet for only 2 or 3 weeks. I watched Forks Over Knives, and I was like, oh, I'm going vegan. And I remember one of my coworkers passed me in the hall, and they just stopped like this. And they said, Mike, I can see your cheekbones. What are you doing? I know you're doing some crazy health thing. What are you doing? It is not working. You look like a skeleton. I was just like, oh, no, I'm fine. And then a few days later, I went out to eat with coworkers, and I was like, oh, I got this vegan salad. And one of my friends had a steak sandwich, and he said I could take a bite, and I had one bite, and I blacked out, and I ate the whole sandwich. And later that day, I was insanely sick. I was super sick. I had to call off work for the next 2 or 3 days just because I had a steak sandwich. And now, before I went on the vegan diet, I could have a steak sandwich and have 0 symptoms. The vegan diet now made me allergic and have intolerances to all foods that weren't on the vegan diet. And I was losing weight rapidly because I just couldn't eat the vegan foods. I just hated the taste of them so much. Going on the vegan diet for your IBS and irritable bowel syndrome is one of the worst decisions I see people make. It is very low in protein. Protein is proteus in Greek, which means of the utmost importance. It's nitrogen. Nitrogen is the most important mineral in our diet. It makes up the most of our body composition. And plant foods do have protein in it, but it's very low in essential amino acids. Very, very low. It has 0 fat-soluble vitamins. There are no fat-soluble vitamins in a plant diet. Your body is already under a ton of stress dealing with IBS, and now we're going to put it under more stress by giving it less nutrients and harder to digest foods. Herbivore animals have huge, complicated digestive systems, and on top of that, they have to eat all day to meet their daily nutritional quota just to keep on weight or put on weight and be healthy. The math does not add up on going on a vegan diet. And it not only just nutritionally does the math doesn't add up, diet is not the root cause. I didn't get better until I started doing German New Medicine, which tells us that stress, that a conflict shock, a stressful event put our gut in and out of overdrive. Go down below and comment, what was stressing you out when your IBS started, when your irritable bowel syndrome started? Was it a boyfriend, a girlfriend, a best friend, a friend, drama, school, work, sports, job? What was it? If your mind's drawing blanks right now, it's because it's buried in your subconscious mind. And what I do to help people unearth that is my 13-day protocol. It's day by day, step by step. It has exercises that help you identify the conflict in your life that's putting your colon in and out of overdrive and causing your IBS symptoms. It's literally that simple. I had my food intolerances disappear in a day when I understood this. Super easy to fix. I gained 20, 30 pounds in just a month or two after years of crazy dieting and crazy holistic remedies. This is it right here. This is it. We can see it on a brain CT scan in our brain, whether the colon's in overdrive or not. IBS and irritable bowel syndrome, super easy to fix. So go down below, leave a comment, tell me what the stressful event is. Did you go on the vegan diet? How much did it destroy your health? I'm really curious. It's just such a dangerous protocol. It's just so devoid of nutrients. And I hope I changed your mind on not to go on a nutrient deficient diet. My name's Mike the Healer Gut Guy, and I'll see you in the next video.